Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use exit lag for Dead by Daylight and the best settings to help you lower your ping, reduce packet loss, and improve your overall gameplay experience. If you want to try exit lag with a 1-year 50% discount, I have a link in the description where you can sign up. So let's get started. First, you have to open your exit lag and log into your account. Once you're inside the application, click for the connection. Click the add button and search for the search bar Dead by Daylight and just click it over. You will be redirected into the server settings and choose a region. Click the automatic and the preferred region you want. Wait for it to analyze. And once you're here, just click the settings. Select the TCP routes into 0 and the UDP routes into 4. And once you've configured the settings, click the apply routes and wait for the exec lag to optimize your connection. Automatic route selection works well for most players, but you can also test manual mode if you want to compare different routes. And after the routes have been applied, launch Dead by Daylight and enter a match. While you're playing, monitor your ping and connection quality. You should notice fewer lag spikes, reduced packet loss, and smoother movement and more consistent gameplay, especially during intense chases. For even better performance, you can also play in full screen mode, disable VSync, close unnecessary background application, use a wired Ethernet connection whenever possible. These settings can help improve frame consistency and reduce input delay. Keep in mind that exit lag can create true zero ping. Your latency still depends on your distance from the game server and your internal provider. What exit lag can do is to optimize your network route, help reduce ping spikes, packet loss, and connection instability. And that's it. You're now ready to enjoy a smoother Dead by Daylight experience with exit lag. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more gaming tutorials, optimization guides, and setup tips. And don't forget, if you want to try exit lag with a 1-year 50% discount, check out the sign up link in the description below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.